What's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. Today we are in Alabama.
We are in Huntsville, Alabama to be specific.
Yes, and we are visiting
Space and Rocket Center.
Space and Rocket Center of Huntsville. And we're pretty excited about this one. Hoping we can record inside. I don't know.
I couldn't find anything about it on the website, so...
Also, she mentioned it's my birthday, so we're coming here actually for my birthday. Yay.
After a good breakfast,
Yep.
we're going to explore.
Since I get Alabama for my birthday and she gets the Florida Keys for her birthday.
Somebody's not bitter.
Not at all. We'll have a good time either way. But yeah, let's go check out the space station here in Huntsville, Alabama.
Our group is leaving us.
Yeah, they don't like it when we record. $25 a person.
And you get all that.
And you get to do all the simulators. It's included in your general admission ticket. So that's pretty cool. You do have to wear a mask in here.
Yes.
It
Doesn't
says,
matter vaccination status, you must wear a mask.
Yep. Just kind of like back in Acadia. But
I think that's any government funded.
Yep. We're gonna try to do
program,
the G-Force simulator and the moonshot.
Yep.
So we'll see how this goes. And we just ate breakfast.
Well,
So,
I mean, we gotta walk this building first, so it'll be at least an hour.
I don't know about that G-Force. Pulling his pancakes back out.
Yeah, no, that's not going in the video. No.
We should have fun though. I think I found my next tow vehicle. You think it would tow the RV? I don't know. I think it might work. What do you think? Think it'll be over my payload?
Stacking cups. 360.
So we got through the first building. There's a bunch of different buildings, and now we're gonna try to go find a simulator, right?
Yes.
After we look at this really big rocket. Look at this.
Turn us around.
Now look at this thing.
It's huge.
That's awesome.
Kids are enjoying it.
We just got off the G-Force simulator, and the thing spins you around at 45 miles an hour. And it makes you feel 3 times your weight, so 3 G's is what it's simulating. I swear, it feels like you're just laying down looking straight up by the time it's done, like when it's at top speed. It is. My whole spine popped laying on that table. That was crazy.
So what do you think about that big spaceship? Or a rocket? I guess it's just a rocket. That's not even a spaceship.
That's incredible. I mean, that's just insane. When you first walk in, that's just like...
Bam in your face.
Yeah, that is...
Let's see if I can get a picture of you with... This is the bottom. It goes whoosh, all the way up there.
It's a pretty cool birthday. I mean, despite being in Alabama, it's pretty nice getting to be here at the Space Center. This is just incredible. And here's your extra battery. So we can keep the video going. So what did you think?
I loved it.
Yeah.
I wish we would have had more time.
True. Yeah, we were kind of rushed through it, but there was some stuff that was closed too.
Yes. So things were closed. We were rushed through a little bit. I wish we would have known earlier that we could have signed the kids up for space camp.
Yeah.
Like I think of camp for like summer activities. Not
Nick said he would do the camp.
Not something that's all year round.
Right.
So next time we know we can sign you up for space camp.
That would be awesome. Look, I had a great time. So if you're in Alabama, if you have to be in Alabama,
If you're in Huntsville.
if you're in Huntsville area, come check out the Space and Rocket Center, Museum, NASA stuff, and you'll have a great time.
They're Smithsonian affiliates, so
Especially if you have kids.
If you have a Smithsonian membership, I think you get a discount.
Right.
We don't have any type of memberships, so we pay full price. It's $25 a person.
$25 a person.
For adults.
Yep.
But it was worth it.
It is. All right. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Small taste of what the Space Center has to offer. Make sure you come and check it out yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, make sure you subscribe.
Ring the bell so you get notified when we release our next video.
Until the next strange adventure.
Keep making your own. There we go. Now we can see us. Be good to my sister.
I wonder if that'll be a good cut.
Maybe.
Like,
Carol's gonna use it at the end. Like, this is what we did this week.